Hello everyone, I'm back again. So here at Joseph Teaching School for my appointment today, and shout it out to Ma'am Sophia for always entrusting my service. So hello guys. So ayan, show ko lang yung aura ko today. And after all of that guys, ayan ang pinaka-amaze sa lahat dahil first time kong nakitang may iba-ibang kulay ng isda. Akala ko siya toy, pero in real life fish pala yan siya. So super lang nakakaaliw sa mata at ang gandang tignan, pati ang calm ng view nila. So yan guys, di ko makapaling titigan sila dahil super cute. So ayun, doon lang magtatapos ang vlog ko today. Goodbye and God bless everyone.